What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be something every freaking time I come in my office to try to record something. This is what freaking happens. You're just a whack-a-nut. But anyway, guys, we are going to be doing a rendering on Forza of the 3rd Gen Camaro build. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. It's not the final product. Definitely not the exact wheels, anything like that. Just kind of gives you guys like a general idea. And I'm going to throw some music on. I'm actually going to add myself in like a tiny little version on the video, almost like streamer screens. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, or who knows, maybe you guys want me to build other cars on Forza, please let me know, because I will build whatever you guys want. If you guys want to see me build like my old Subaru, you guys want to see me build that, because I've actually built it before. So if you guys want to see me build like my old Subaru, you guys want to see like what my taste is in different vehicles and kind of do like this style video, drop a comment down below for what vehicles you would like me to build and what kind of... so you guys can see what kind of taste personally I have in vehicles and what I would do if I owned them. As always, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the freaking channel, join us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers, and I hope you guys are excited after seeing the color that I choose. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to let you guys know, but hey, this is where we're at. It's gonna look so much better in freaking person, and honestly, Forza's not going to do it justice. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. My tropical love. I want to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailing seas, just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no.